Looking at life with fresh eyes, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase that can be quite useful in various contexts. Fresh eyes. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding phrases like these can add flair to your language skills. So, let's dive in and learn about what fresh eyes means and how you can use it in your daily English conversation. The phrase, fresh eyes, refers to looking at something with a new perspective, as if you are seeing it for the first time. This expression is often used when discussing problems, projects, or work that has been ongoing for a while. By stepping back and returning to look at the issue later, with fresh eyes, you may notice details or solutions that were not apparent to you before. Imagine you've been working on a puzzle for hours and can't seem to find where the last pieces go. If you take a break and come back to it later, you might solve it quickly. That's because you're looking at the puzzle with fresh eyes. You can use fresh eyes in both a literal and figurative sense. Here are a few examples of when this phrase might come in handy. 1. In creative work. When you're writing, painting, or engaging in any creative task, stepping away and returning later can provide new inspiration. 2. In problem solving. If you're stuck on a problem, whether it's math homework or a strategic decision, looking at it with fresh eyes after a break can help find a solution. 3. In editing or revising. Writers often need fresh eyes to spot errors or areas for improvement in their drafts. The key idea is that fresh eyes provide a new, unbiased perspective that can lead to better insights and outcomes. Let's see how to use fresh eyes in sentences to solidify your understanding. After working on the report for 6 hours, I couldn't spot any mistakes. I'll check it again tomorrow with fresh eyes. She couldn't figure out why her code wasn't running. But after a good night's sleep, she found the bug immediately with fresh eyes. I asked my friend to look at my painting with fresh eyes and give me his honest opinion. In each case, fresh eyes symbolize a rest or distance that allows for a clearer or new perspective. As English learners, applying the concept of fresh eyes to your studies can be extremely beneficial. When you're stuck on a grammar rule or pronunciation, take a break. Sometimes, what confuses you today might make sense when you approach it again later, with a fresh mindset and renewed focus. And that's a wrap on the phrase, fresh eyes. Remember, sometimes taking a step back is just as important as pushing forward in your learning journey. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to use this phrase in your English practice. Don't forget to take breaks and come back to challenging tasks with fresh eyes. Until next time, keep learning and keep refreshing your perspective.